Intro. Beater Box Monday. Okay. Hey! Yeah! Because the box is so inexpensive, everything about this video is cute. No, not at all. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website, sbmitch.com. That's where you can find all the shoes from this here box that we're opening today for sale at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hello, pals. I mentioned box. That's kind of what goes on this channel thing. So it's a beater box. It's a beater box from Supremacy. It's a big old box of shoes in various sizes and conditions that are meant to be cleaned and or just flipped in general. This box was this is the lowest priced box I've ever gotten besides a donation box. So it's probably a good idea to do this every once in a while to like kind of rein it back in, because I know too much about hype beast shoes and I want to get back to the basics, if that makes sense. This box was $275 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $315. I had to think for a minute. Hey, they priced these boxes under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money. That's the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors like box. And then we're gonna break down the entire box at the end of the video to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is worth, because we wanna make some money on this. Now, as I'm wearing my fancy new Seth Fowler t-shirt, let's open the box. Yep, cool, we're open. Got any loosies in here? No, I don't see any loose shoes, so that's cool. Old school Nike box. Let's get this one out of the way first. So we have a size 10 Air Zoom HUARACHE 2K4OT. This is a worn pair, but here you go. It's a triple black Air Zoom HUARACHE. A lot of different materials on here. It's got leather upper, it's got some suede on the mudguard. Interesting. When is this from? This is pretty old, looks like. Woof. I think this is from 2004, so this shoe is like 15 years old, so that's pretty cool. A little bit of discoloration on some certain areas, but it's a triple black basketball shoe it's classic, it's old, so these are probably still wearable, but with caution. So there you go, size 10. Air Zoom HUARACHE 2K4 in a triple black colorway. Hey, if you want to buy that shoe or any other shoes in this video, sbmitch.com. That's where you can find them at 6 p.m. today. Let's grab this. I got a Nike sportswear box. It's an Air PIPPEN, size 10.5. The colorway is called Tar and Sunset, but this is older. There's a lot of discoloration going on the side panel here, but it's an Air PIPPEN. I mean, probably the most recent Air PIPPEN that had any kind of recognizability was the Air PIPPEN with collaboration with Kith. This is a really, really cool shoe. It's a size 10.5. This looks old too. Yeah, this is from 2008, it looks like. So it's got some years on it too. But this is the kind of stuff you're gonna find in a $275 beater box. So there you go, size 10.5. Air PIPPEN from 2008. Dadgum. Cool, let's keep going. Got a red Nike box. We have an Air Max 93. In a size 11. Now these are worn, but yeah, it's an Air Max 93. I don't know if this is the menthol or the dusty cactus colorway. Might be either, I don't really know. But it looks like a dusty cactus kind of colorway. Very cool looking shoe. This is an Air Max 93, came out in 1993, obviously. But it's a clean looking trainer. It's been worn couple times, if that. All the nipples are still there. Very lightly worn. Size 11. Air Max 93. Cool. That's a really neat shoe. A lot of different materials on there. Let's do another red Nike box. This is a size 11 Air Force 270. Okay.
Excuse me.
This is the Wolf Gray Air Force 270. A lot of different materials on here. It's got this big chunky Air outsole. Very reminiscent of an Air Max 270, but 270, the only similarity is this here, but it's definitely got a bigger upper strap along the forefoot. These are worn, not very much though, just need a quick cleanup and they'll be good to go. So there you go, Wolf Gray Air Force 270 in a size 11. These are in good shape. These are pretty cool. Huh, neat. Looks like the rest is Jordans. 3 of them, that's kind of crazy. Got a size 8.5, Jordan 13. Got a pair of olive 13s in worn condition. they're in pretty good shape still. They just need a quick cleanup. Yeah, I mean the film is still over the hologram there. There's just a little bit of signs of wear throughout, which these will get cleaned up. And cleaning suede is really fun, I will say that. Schuvinator stuff works really well, but you still have a lot of life in them. And I'm not saying that like they're almost dead. I'm saying that like these were worn not too badly because there's no heel drag, nothing too crazy going on with this. So there you go, size 8.5, Jordan 13 olive, very cool. Next up, Air Jordan 9 Retro in a size 10. These are worn Baron 9s, very cool colorway. You can see the stripes reminiscent of the minor league baseball team that Jordan played for, the Birmingham Barons. Was it Birmingham? I don't remember, somewhere in Alabama. But these are lightly worn. There's a little bit of outsole discoloration because they do have some years on them, but not much creasing on the toe box, which is very good. Otherwise, Jumpman is gone in the insole, but I mean, these are lightly worn. I mean, I like this colorway. I think 9s are pretty cool. There's definitely takes of baseball on the upper, so there you go. Baron 9s. What are these, like 2012? I don't even know anymore. Got one more in here. Looks like a Jordan 12 box because it's magnificently huge. It's a size 11 Jordan 12. Oh, cool. This is another good colorway. Worn again, but lightly. They just need to be cleaned up. Bordeaux 12s. You can see Jumpman is fully intact on the insole, so they weren't worn very much. But this is a slick colorway, and these are this is a very desirable color. There you go. It's mostly suede upper, typical Bordeaux looking colorway with a white outsole and midsole. These probably have some value too, so yeah, size 11, Bordeaux 12s. That is a $275 beater box. I mean, that's the kind of stuff you gotta expect in here. So let's take a look at the numbers and see what we're dealing with here. Break down! So yeah, there's 7 pairs of shoes, a couple vintage ones, but all of them are in wearable shape. I mean, nothing dead stock, but that's okay. This is a beater box that's under $300 before shipping, so can't really complain about that. If you are interested in any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. sbmitch.com is where you can find them. This Friday, I'm doing a beater box, but we're also announcing a giveaway. And also, t-shirts will be live on Friday. I'm very excited about that. Got some plain black SB Mitch t-shirts. They will be live on Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Limited sizes. They may restock later, but yeah, very exciting. If you're interested in the t-shirt, that's when you can find them. That's all I got for you today. See you soon. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. So fun. Bye.